video, we are going to understand what is fact-checking, why fact-checking matters, and its role in information literacy. We know that in today digital world, we are surrounded by an overwhelming amount of information. We've seen it along the course. This is particularly dangerous in social media sphere. From breaking news to viral posts, it can be hard to know what is true from what is not. So misinformation is spread fast, often faster than truth. There are different tools, and it's a very complex situation to face this information. It has to come with a legislative and political response, but also with the labor from journalists. Here comes fact-checking. Fact-checkers are journalists and researchers that work to research claims, verify sources, and help to stop hoaxes. It comes from the traditional research journalism, but now these powerful platforms help us to, with a click, understand if a piece of news is true or not. However, we know that this information is more complex than that, and often just denying a claim and saying that this is a hoax or a scam can even increase some conspiracy theories. One of the leading fact-checking platforms in Spain is this one, Maldita.es. This is an independent and non-profit organization to fight against misinformation in different fields, science, politics, and technology. This is an example about how fact-checking works, and we can find the example, the same structure of fact-checking in different countries. So Maldita help to increase media literacy, for example, in schools, and also play an important role in the European debate representing Spain in different forums regarding this information. So if we see the web page, we see that it's divided in different sections. Maldita Hemeroteca. This revisit past statements by politicals and public figures. For example, here we have some statements regarding this fight regarding the tariffs and duties. So we can compare them to what those individuals are saying today about what they're saying in the past. It's a powerful way to find inconsistencies over time. So we can find here the example about this issue regarding duties and tariffs, with the hyperlinks to check about if these politicians are changing the view regarding a topic about the previous position. Then we have other section that is Maldito Bulo. It's a site or a app for checking viral hoaxes and false claim. Bulo means hoax in Spanish. And we can find explanation about different hoaxes that are being spread in social media with the important hyperlinks or contextual information. Other important section in this fact checker is the one that the sections regarding different topics that often are targets to from this information, like migration or feminism, for example. They're like thematic resources regarding this. Then we have Maldita Ciencia. Literally, damn science focuses on debunking pseudoscience, on conspiracy theories, or medical disinformation. And the structure is the same. They explain the topic and also give a contextual information and the opinion of experts. And for example, here we see that in this paper had an important collaboration of scientific from the specialized in the topic. So one of the most accessible features of Maldita is this one. They have a WhatsApp fact-checking service. So users can simply forward a suspicious message, and Maldita team will research and respond it with accurate information. This is a direct line to the public and make it fact-checking participate. If you want to know more about Maldita, you can check the About Us information and how they are transparent to the public and how they belong, for example, to the International Fact-Checking Network, which means that they follow or they apply the highest standards of neutrality and accuracy into information. To finish, I would like to say that this kind of platforms like Maldita or Snopes do an excellent work, but fact-checking alone is not enough. You will see, for example, in some papers or some articles that debunk some hoaxes, they lack from sometimes some reference materials or some support reference materials. Misinformation spreads quickly, and often the immediate correction, does not mean that they reach to the people that we need or the people that believe this falsehood. So this is critical to work more in a specialized and in the awareness of building a participative information literacy and critical literacy. You know that information literacy is the ability to find, access, and use information accurately, accurate information, and use it responsibly. It helps us to know if you can trust in a particular claim. These are not skills only for journalists or researchers. It should be skills that all the citizens should have. And this is a particular responsibility, because you know that being informed is something that is power, and being critical is responsibility from the politicians, but also for journalists and even for researchers. So in our next video, we will reflect about that information literacy has to come from different elements. One are the information science professionals and libraries that are a neutral institution that work traditionally over history to help people to fight against disinformation.